If you're ever wondering what it's like living with men,
That is a big lion.
I failed my statistics class and I had to retake that course. There's been multiple teachers and multiple assignments that I got zeros for, and I have to go to the dean. Hi guys, so it's Sunday and I'm trying to do my hair because I have content to film this week. So this is the hair, this is the brand Ashamari. This was the closest V-part wig that's my color hair that I could find. I'm a bit down because your girl phone stopped working, so, and I feel like my phone stopped working as soon as I started doing OOTDs and taking pictures again. And school is about to start, so I have that to worry about. I have books to buy and all that stuff. Not only that, I graduate at the end of this semester and I have clinicals to do, so I am going to need a car. So now I'm gonna need a phone and a car. A rush to get my own car because quite frankly I don't go anywhere like that. I literally just take my kids where they want to go. This is too tight on my head. I literally just take my kids where they want to go and I'll go to the gym. That's about it. Outside of that, I don't really go anywhere because my classes are online. So I don't really have to go in for classes or anything like that. But now that my clinical portion, I'm gonna have to get a car. And I'm not looking forward to getting a car. The last time I had a car, my insurance was almost $300. And before that, I was paying like 25 bucks because my grandfather took care of my insurance and took care of my previous car. But as you guys know, my grandfather is no longer with us, so I'm gonna have to figure this one out by myself. And I'm not looking forward to spending almost $300 a month for insurance for a car that I'm barely going to use. Because I don't go anywhere like that except to the gym and probably to clinicals. So yeah, not only insurance, I have to figure out how I'm going to maintain a car as far as mechanic, oil change, all of that. So that's something else I'm not looking forward to. I honestly really don't like dealing with people, especially when it comes on to men. And when it comes on to mechanics and stuff, I always feel like they overcharge women or they try to play in women's face or all that other stuff. So that's something else I have to worry about. And I also have still have classes and school and everything else that I have to take care of. So yeah, when it rains, it pours, honey. but I'm not worried about it. I always figure it out. If there's one thing I know how to do, it's figure it out. So I'm trying this new crochet method thing that I see going around. And you just hide the track. I'm the oldest of 6 children, so I've always had to have direction, have plan A, plan B, figure.
Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find no drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9 and off past 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation. I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody. I'ma do my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. B is back and I'm sleeping real good at night. Queens in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but
So once I do my makeup and stuff, I'll come back and show you guys how it looks.
a whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with the yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask out.
So we're heading to some more fun with the kids. And I got a phone from Metro. And I'm gonna take it back. I literally can't deal with the phone. Too much foolishness.
Why take it back?
Because it doesn't work properly. And I can't be bothered.
But do you want your old phone?
Might as well. No SD card. Ah, who's telling me this chair?
Why?
Why hook up so?
I'm gonna pull it up.
Oui. Militarily, no. No touch a thing in this car. I literally drive and go about my business.
Mommy, that's a catfish.
A catfish?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I see a catfish. I see it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look in the water. It's a lot of them. Look.
Daddy, I can see a catfish right now.
Let me turn this
Fish look
around.
drunk.
Where?
Say fish look drunk. The fish
Very
is used.
unnatural.
Oh, monkey.
So we're at the zoo with the kids.
I'm gonna go over there.
No, you're not. You can't do that.
Can't go over there.
I'm kidding.
Are you serious?
I want to go over there and I'll sign over.
Come on, yeah.
Oh,
This is how we have to adjust millions, babe.
yeah. Monkeys look so cute.
Like that?
Yeah.
Say cheese monkey.
Say cheese monkeys, monkey.
Say cheese monkey. Oh, there's one up there.
Oh wow, yeah.
Climbing up in this system.
Mm-hmm.
It's going.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
You really want to be in here?
Hi, monkeys. Mom, those are baby monkeys.
Uh-huh.
You think they're babies, mommy?
I think they're babies.
You think so?
But they're climbing around the
Ah,
bush,
see?
mommy.
We do have babies here, though. We have babies fighting.
Pepper.
This is a, look at the habitat though.
This is Pepper. This is Pepper the cheetah.
You see it, Papa?
No.
Okay, come right here. Yeah, I'll show you. Look right there. Underneath everything. Underground. Sleeping. See?
Ooh, that looks like a monkey.
Look at Pepper.
Small though. Oh wow. Observation station. Climb up top.
Up here is actually super nice. You don't want to go on that one, mommy?
Mommy, that is seesaw.
There they go. Woo. Woo.
There goes that big thing. Oh, no.
Ours could go super fast sometimes.
Yeah, well, I can go like that too. When I was on
I go like,
Mama, can I feed them?
Maybe when you get bigger.
Mama, can I feed it?
If it fly past me. Oh, you want to go see your mommy son? Hold on to you.
Look at him. That is a big lion.
I will.
Look at the lion.
He gone.
Talking about.
I don't know. He's telling the people he's here.
But yeah, sir, I never noticed some sounded off. Still. So I was saying, this fella right here. Recognize it?
how did he make that sound?
I don't know.
Mommy, how did he make that sound?
He's an animal. That's the type of sounds that they make.
Mommy, what?
Oh, they're talking to their.
Look, it's a giant bone. It's so funny.
Yeah.
I think they just
I'm
made
looking like some like a teething animal. And then dig up, please.
Mommy, you're supposed to see the giraffes.
Boy, their house, nice look.
That it is, and big and spacious.
So spread out.
Cute.
How about you?
The hissing cockroaches. You hear the hissing cockroaches in the tree cot?
Yes,
You see them?
they're fake.
You said they're fake.
Not fake.
They're real.
Yeah.
Do they actually move? Mama, do they actually move?
Yeah, they do.
How?
Ew.
This is
Mommy, what's this?
This place is huge.
you feel possible?
Those are the new ones.
Mommy, what is it?
Oh, nice. They have a little bit of mist. Black crown crane. Okapi.
You look like something,
Right here. The okapi is right here.
something what shouldn't me can't catch a one.
This look like a mix between a horse and a zebra.
This is Africa.
This definitely look like a mix between a horse
There's a little animal behind it. Look like
and
a llama.
a zebra.
You see it?
Yeah, me see it. It does look like a llama. Kai, Milani, wait up. You smell the animals. And what kind of animal that this lay down, babe? Passed out.
But that looks like a camel.
One coming.
Oh, a camel? Oh.
Mommy,
Yeah.
what happened to the camel right there?
The camel is sleeping.
Where's the other camel?
I don't know.
Mommy, can we go look at the baby?
Tea.
Stop, don't touch. We're going straight to the car. Your mom's gonna have to get it.
So I picked it when
You
they
can buy that stuff somewhere for $2.
So we're leaving.
Mommy. I did not know they even had toys. Mommy.
Milani, sit back and put your seatbelt on. Seatbelt on?
See?
That's not how you put your seatbelt on. And I know you know how to put it on. Sit up. Pull the seatbelt across you. Thank you. Good girl.
Yes, Milani. Because it's about to close.
Mommy, can I take off my shoes?
Your shoes, if you want to. Oh. Here, Kai.
That was a workout, bro.
That it was. And this is Milani's. Here, Mommy.
What for dinner?
Shrimp scampi.
Shrimp scampi. You and the carbs, man.
You say me and the cars, baby, not for eat none.
Yeah.
Or you can have a raw salad. We have lettuce and
Are you gonna
tomatoes.
try slim down? Or you not care?
Yeah, I'm trying.
You're good already. Yeah, woman. You're supposed to have round body and this and
I
that.
need to lose
Me not
30
supposed to have
pounds.
round body and hips. So you know, yeah, we're different.
I'm supposed to be losing 30 pounds, okay?
Yeah.
But we've been eating salad all week, so
Mommy, can we eat salad for dinner?
you want salad for dinner? Well, I'm gonna make a fresh salad too, so your dad can have that if he wants it.
Salad.
Alright.
Have salad. And watch us.
Yes.
He's actually coming home.
Okay.
My dad is going to clean the pool.
So we are back from the zoo. And the kids wanted to go in the pool. Makai is obsessed with his face mask thing. So, yeah. I'm going to make some shrimp scampi for dinner and a fresh salad.
Shrimp scampi.
Yes.
You're gonna make shrimp scampi? I'll see.
Yes.
I did not know you could make shrimp scampi.
Mommy, there's bugs in the pool.
The zoo was good. The zoo was beautiful. The zoo is being expanded. You can definitely tell where our tax dollars are
We
going.
gotta see the giraffes yet, Mommy.
There's no giraffes anymore. I think they gotta get new giraffes.
I think they gotta get new
The kids had fun.
I hope
So
the new
I'll
giraffe-
see y'all when I start cooking the shrimp scampi.
Mommy, poop.
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
can you see me under the water?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, can you see me under the water?
Mm-hmm. Yes, mommy. Go.
Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
how can you see us under the water? I was just close to that wall.
Because I still can see your legs.
What I say?
I still can see your legs.
You can still see my legs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I have to be more careful. Mommy, can you see me under the water?
Mommy.
Yeah.
inside the house.
One more. That way. Alright, ready? And go.
Bon appetit. So I did a full leg day workout today. Came home, ate, cleaned up, and I'm doing the last of the cleaning up. On Wednesday, when you guys saw me, no, on Thursday, Sunday, babe flooded out the kitchen, and this whole thing was flooded out. So he took out all the stuff from out this drawer. Now I'm putting back the stuff in the drawer, right? Hold on, I don't know why my camera did that. Why this man put the batteries in the egg container? Mind you, we have organizers. We have this. We have organizers. We also have a ton more in the garage. If you're ever wondering what it's like living with men or boys or whatever, that's it right there. That's exactly it. So the last time you guys saw me actually dropping off my graduation stuff, and quite honestly, I do not like talking about school on social media, because I feel like that's a part of my life that I keep private, just because I feel like it's nobody's business. And once you let people in certain aspects of your life, especially on social media, they're going to want updates, they're going to want more information, and that's just part of my life that I like to keep private. I don't know if I have issues with how long it has taken me to finish school, or people saying that it took me a long time to finish school, or whatever the case may be. But I do not, for some reason, I don't like talking about school, and I don't know what it is or where it came from. And I got into a place now that I didn't even realize it was such an issue for me until I got into an argument about it. Don't get me wrong, I love going to school, I love continuing my education, but I am literally my own worst critic. Like, I feel like I should have been done already. I feel like But I'm not even going to go into that because I had 2 child in the process. I take care of a whole household. I run a business, and I can't allow anyone or anything to make me feel bad for doing things or finishing school on my own time. I am here beating myself up when I don't know anyone that can walk in my shoes, really. Run their own business, side business, take care of a family and a household, and also go to school full time. So, and yes, I do go to school full time. If you look at my credit hours, they are full-time credit hours. So, yeah. I graduate with my bachelor's degree. I graduate with my bachelor's degree in December, and I'm excited. But I don't feel like I'm as excited as I should be, because I feel like I should have been finished. And I don't know why I'm beating myself up about it either. Because, well, I do know why. Like I said before, I am my own worst critic. Like, there's nothing anyone on social media can ever say to me to make me feel bad about myself, or second guess myself, because I've said it to myself already. I've thought about it already. I know whether it's true or not true. So yeah, gone are the days where I used to worry about what people think on social media. I used to, but I don't anymore. And I'm not afraid to say shit that people used to say on social media used to bug me and bother me, but they don't anymore. And I used to try to address it, try to clear it up, try to tell people, oh, that's not how it goes, that's not how it went. Now I don't give a damn. And I think it's just me getting older and to the point where I have children of my own, and I'm very, very secure in who I am, who I want to be, and everything else in my life. So nothing on social media really gets to me like that anymore. I pay zero mind. I do my stuff. I call it a day. And when I log out of social media, I have my own life to live, honey. Because I don't live for social media like that. Create my content and I keep it pushing. Oh, and this is the drawer that Babe said we have a whole bunch of foolishness in here. But he's the one that's always annoyed when he can't find any bottoms like charger bottoms to charge his phone. Okay, he's the one that gets annoyed when the batteries from the TV don't work and there's none here and he has to buy them. He's the one that gets annoyed when he needs some tape and can't find them. He's the one that gets annoyed when the kids take his chargers and stuff. So I have a whole bunch of chargers for all different devices, Apple devices, Android devices. So there's no problems, there's no arguments about chargers and charging ports. These are stuff that he bought, which I'm going to cut. These are for barrels when we send barrels to Jamaica, or when we are going traveling, we tend to lock our suitcases and the barrels that we send. So that's what these are for. And he's the one that bought these. User manual. What is this for? This is for Kai's stuff. Oh, and he's the one that gets annoyed when we can't find these little screwdrivers because the kids have toys and we always need to replace the batteries. So that's what these are for. These are for cords that are too long, and I haven't really used these like that. So I'm gonna put these in the bag. So all of that to say, I kind of think like I have a bit of trauma associated with going to school, which is why I don't like talking about going to school or graduation or anything that I have when it comes down to school anymore. And I'm trying to work through it. I'm trying to get there. And I feel like when I'm actually comfortable talking about it, I will. But as for right now, I'm definitely not. Like, there's a lot of stuff that has gone on while I've been going to school. There's a lot of stuff that has happened during school. Like, I failed my statistics class and I had to retake that course. there's been multiple teachers and multiple assignments that I got zeros for, and I have to go to the dean or redo an assignment in 24 hours because I just gave birth to my daughter and the assignment is due, and I'm in a hospital room and I have to do my assignment on my phone, like stuff like that. Enough of that. Babe said he wanted to go out this weekend. We may go out, we may not. We'll see how that goes. But with that being said, I'll see y'all later.